Hi everyone, my name is Morgan and today I'm going to be showing you all how to use the Read Aloud tool using the Snap&Read extension in Google Chrome. So as you can see, I just have a New York Times article open here on the Northern Light that they have named Steve. So what we're going to do is first we're going to remove kind of all the noise at this time. You know, there might be some ads. So I'm going to go up to find my Snap&Read extension, and I'm going to turn that on to get my toolbar off to the side. And while I have this open, what I'm going to do is shimmy on down to remove distractions, to eliminate that noise and just allow me to hone in on the content being presented. So now I can just look at this article and have it start reading to me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hover over to my first tool, which is our speaker icon, and we're just going to choose that. And then I'm going to come over here and select where I want to begin having it read to me. So let's just say I want to start right here.
It looks like a piece of the aurora borealis, or the northern lights, blushes of pink or green that illuminate the night sky at higher latitudes, caused by solar particles interacting with the Earth's magnetic field.
Awesome. And then I can just click anywhere on the page to have that stop reading to me. What's nice about Snap&Read is that if I'm just wanting to hone in on a specific paragraph, what I could do is highlight that paragraph and then have it just read that paragraph and stop at the word field, whereas what I just did would have kept reading there. Now let's say I want that visual support. So I'm going to turn on my reading line guide, my color overlay. And so when I turn this on, it's going to allow me to focus line by line and have that visual support. So I'm going to choose my Read Aloud tool and we're going to begin this one.
But this strip of light is different. It has always appeared farther south, beyond the bounds of normal aurora sightings.
Awesome, that was so helpful and allowed me to focus in on that specific paragraph. So that is how you use the Read Aloud tool in Snap&Read on Google Chrome. If you need any additional support, please feel free to rewind the video or come back to it at another time, or head to our support tab at learningtools.downjohnston.com for a wealth of resources. Thanks for watching.